July 25, 2025. Humanity woke up to a new reality. On this day, the world paused, united by a single breathtaking revelation. News outlets buzzed with excitement, and social media exploded with wonder as the story unfolded. We're no longer just stargazers, we're explorers of worlds. For centuries, we've looked up at the night sky, dreaming of distant planets. Now, those dreams have taken a giant leap forward, transforming curiosity into discovery. NASA has captured the first direct photograph of Proxima Centauri b, our closest exoplanet neighbor. This achievement is the result of decades of innovation, teamwork, and relentless pursuit of the unknown. This isn't just a scientific milestone, it's a turning point in our story. The emotions in mission control were palpable: tears, laughter, and awe, as the image appeared on screens for the first time. For the first time, we can see a planet orbiting another sun just over 4 light-years away. The distance is vast, but the image brings it closer, making the unimaginable suddenly real. The universe feels less empty, more familiar. Each new discovery fills the cosmic void with possibility, reminding us that we are part of something much greater. This image is more than data. It's a portrait of a neighbor we never knew. It invites us to imagine alien landscapes, unknown atmospheres, and perhaps even the potential for life. It's a message from the void. New frontiers await. The universe is calling us to venture further, to seek answers to questions we've only begun to ask. This picture will be remembered alongside the first footprints on the moon. It marks a new era, a moment when we realized our place in the cosmos is not fixed, but ever expanding. It's a beacon of hope, reminding us we're all inhabitants of a small, fragile planet. The sight of another Earth-like world inspires us to cherish our own and to dream of what lies beyond. The image of Proxima b is a universal symbol, inspiring us to push beyond the horizon. It fuels the imagination of scientists, artists, and dreamers everywhere. This is not just NASA's victory, it's humanity's. Across continents and cultures, people are united by the wonder of discovery and the hope that we are not alone. Today we open a new chapter in the story of exploration. The journey has just begun, and the universe is waiting for us to write the next page. Before today, Proxima Centauri b was a ghost, known but never seen. It was a name in a catalog, a whisper in the data, a mathematical certainty but not a visual reality. For years, astronomers could only imagine what it might look like, hidden in the glare of its parent star, invisible to even our most powerful telescopes. Discovered in 2016 by its gravitational tug on its star, we knew it was rocky, in the habitable zone, but it was just a shadow. The planet's presence was betrayed only by the subtle wobble it caused in Proxima Centauri, a tiny dance that hinted at its mass and orbit. We could estimate its size, guess at its temperature, and dream about its potential for life, but all of this was inference, never direct evidence. Knowing something exists is different from seeing it. There's a gulf between data and direct experience, between numbers on a chart and the undeniable reality of an image. Imagine knowing a person only by their shadow. You miss the details, the story. You might know their outline but not their face, their expression, or the color of their eyes. The essence remains hidden. That was Proxima b, a silhouette, not a world. Direct imaging changes everything. Suddenly the planet steps out from behind the curtain, revealing itself not just as a theory, but as a place with its own features, its own reality. It transforms a data point into a destination. What was once a mere blip in the data now becomes a world we can point to, a place we can imagine visiting, mapping, and exploring. Seeing is believing, and now, we all believe in Proxima b as a real place. The first image sparks wonder, excitement, and a sense of connection that numbers alone could never provide. We are visual creatures. We understand through what we see. Images have the power to inspire, to make the distant feel close, and to turn the abstract into something personal and meaningful. The Apollo missions changed us with photos of Earth from the moon. Those images made our planet feel fragile, unique, and united us in a way that words never could. They shifted our perspective forever. This first photo of an Earth-like exoplanet gives us a new cosmic perspective. It's a reminder that our world is not alone, that there are other places out there waiting to be discovered, each with its own mysteries and possibilities. It bridges the vastness of space, making the abstract tangible. The distance between us and Proxima b suddenly feels a little smaller, the universe a little more familiar. Now we can form an emotional connection with a world light years away. We can imagine standing on its surface, looking up at its sky, wondering what secrets it holds. the unknown becomes a little more knowable. The shadow has stepped into the light, revealing a world of possibility. What was once hidden is now revealed, inviting us to dream bigger and reach farther. Proxima b is no longer a ghost, it's a world waiting to be known. And as we gaze at its image, we are reminded that every discovery begins with a glimpse. And every glimpse opens a new chapter in our journey to understand the cosmos. Photographing an exoplanet is like trying to capture a firefly next to a searchlight from thousands of miles away. Imagine the challenge of isolating the faint glow of a tiny insect against the overwhelming brightness of a powerful beam. This is the monumental task astronomers face when trying to capture images of distant worlds orbiting stars far beyond our solar system. Proxima Centauri's glare is billions of times brighter than Proxima b's faint light. The star's brilliance overshadows the planet, making it nearly invisible to traditional telescopes. Yet, within this overwhelming brightness lies the potential to discover new worlds. Scientists had to invent new ways of seeing, pushing technology to its limits. They developed innovative instruments and techniques, crafting tools capable of peering through the blinding light to find the hidden planets. The breakthrough came with the James Webb Space Telescope combined with stellar coronagraphy, a sunshade that blocks the star's light. This ingenious device allows astronomers to filter out the star's overwhelming brightness, revealing the faint glow of orbiting planets. The telescope stared at Proxima Centauri for hundreds of hours, collecting faint photons. Each photon captured is a piece of the puzzle, slowly building a picture of the distant world. Advanced algorithms on Earth subtracted the starlight, revealing the planet. These sophisticated programs meticulously remove the star's light, allowing the planet's faint signature to emerge from the shadows. The result isn't a high-def photo, it's a blurry smudge, but within it lies a universe of information. This smudge holds secrets about the planet's composition, atmosphere, and potential for life. Each pixel tells a story about the planet's surface and atmosphere. These tiny dots of light are rich with data, offering clues about the planet's environment and conditions. This is a triumph of human ingenuity. The dedication and creativity of scientists have turned what once seemed impossible into reality, opening new doors to the universe. The techniques developed here can now be used to image other nearby worlds. This success paves the way for future discoveries, allowing us to explore more distant and diverse planets. We've proven it's possible to directly see rocky, Earth-sized planets. This achievement marks a significant milestone in our quest to find other habitable worlds. The impossible has become possible. With each new discovery, we inch closer to understanding our place in the cosmos and the potential for life beyond Earth. The image, though blurry, is breathtaking in its implications. For the first time, we see features of Proxima b. The planet appears tidally locked, one side in perpetual day, the other in night. The day side glows with a reddish hue, the night side shows faint glimmers, hinting at a dynamic atmosphere. A large dark patch near the terminator could be a vast ocean, possibly the first direct evidence of liquid water on an exoplanet. The presence of water is a beacon of possibility. The image also hints at an atmosphere with swirling patterns suggesting weather systems. This could create a temperate band along the terminator, a ring where life might thrive. Proxima b is no longer theoretical. It's a complex, dynamic world. We can now talk about its geography, oceans, and weather. Each pixel is a clue to the nature of this nearby world. The discovery of potential water and atmosphere on Proxima b electrifies the search for life. Water and air are the pillars of biology as we know it. To find both on our nearest neighbor is historic. Proxima b orbits a red dwarf, receiving dim, variable light. Its atmosphere must shield it from flares. The planet's tidal locking creates a unique environment with a habitable twilight zone. Life there would adapt to a perpetual red sky and constant winds. The possibilities are boundless. Proxima b challenges us to think beyond Earth-centric biology. It's a signpost. The universe may be fertile and full of potential. This discovery has sent shockwaves through science and beyond. As Dr. Michio Kaku said, "We will remember this day forever." We've crossed a threshold. The abstract has become real. Biologists speculate about ecosystems in the twilight zone. Geologists analyze surface colors. Climatologists model alien weather. This single image has sparked a renaissance in planetary science. Artists and writers are inspired, anchoring their dreams in a real world. The discovery enriches our culture, uniting us in wonder. The project was an international collaboration, a testament to shared curiosity. In a divided world, this discovery unites us. We're all looking at the same picture, sharing the same awe. We have entered a new era, not just of science but of shared human experience. The journey has just begun. The photograph of Proxima b is just the beginning. It's the first entry in a new cosmic atlas, changing our search for life. Now, we have a tangible target, our prime candidate, just 4 light-years away. This discovery will accelerate new missions and technologies. Next-generation telescopes will focus on Proxima b, searching for biosignatures. The dream of interstellar travel now has a destination. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot have a compelling reason to move forward. We can imagine sending probes to fly past the planet, sending back close-up images. The success of this imaging technique means we can now apply it to other nearby stars. The next giant leap for humankind is in sight. This image of Proxima b does more than satisfy curiosity. It touches something deep within us. It speaks to our need to explore, to push boundaries. For all of history, that frontier was on Earth. Now, it's another world. This photograph is a mirror, reflecting our potential. The grandest dreams of our ancestors are becoming reality. In a time of challenges, it reminds us of the bigger picture. It lifts our gaze to the vast frontier of space. This perspective is essential for our progress as a species. A child born today will grow up knowing there's another world within reach. The story of Proxima b will inspire new explorers. The photograph is a seed for a future in space. Ultimately, it's a story about us, our curiosity, ingenuity, and hope. We are not alone, and our journey has just begun.